by Chief Honorable Victor Giadon, Acting National Chairman of Progressive Congress on Wednesday, June 17, 2020. Yesterday, the Court of Appeal sitting in Abuja, in a unanimous judgment, affirmed the suspension of Comrade Adams Oshomole as the National Chairman of the All Progressive Congress. Consequently, I bring to your notice that on the 16th of March 2020, Honorable Justice S.U. Bature, in suit number FCT/HC/M6447/2020, had ordered that the suspension of Comrade Aliu Oshomole, I, Chief Honorable Victor Giadon, should act as National Chairman of our great party. That order could not be immediately effected at that time because of the temporary reprieve Adam Oshomole got from the Court of Appeal on the same date. However, having removed the temporary reprieve yesterday by the Court of Appeal, and considering the fact that we cannot allow for a vacuum, I most humbly inform you that I have assumed office as the National Chairman of our great party in compliance with the order of the court. I therefore most humbly solicit the support of the entire leadership of the party, of our great party, in achieving this very important responsibility. I want to assure all party members that the All Progressive Congress would obey court orders, judgments, as to bring sanity to our great party. Time for selective compliance of court order and judgment is over. Our party, the All Progressive Congress, will no longer allow local quest for the control of power to influence our decisions. As your acting national chairman and presiding officer in the National Working Committee, we therefore cancel the decision of the Screening and Appeal Committee of the former chairman of the party on the Edo primaries. This is in strict compliance with the provisions of the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria that forbids anyone who is interested in the cause to be a judge in that same cause. It is a brazen rape on the rule of law and the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria for the former chairman, Comrade Adams Oshomole, to preside and select committees in respect to the governorship primaries in Edo State, being a key player in the crisis in the state. Whatever role the former chairman was given to play in that process by the Constitution, it cannot override the provisions of the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, which governs all of us. We therefore ask all aspirants in the governorship primaries to report for fresh screening between today and tomorrow. I call on all aspirants to remain in the All Progressive Congress as we guarantee fairness and justice to all concerned. The schedule and time for each aspirant shall be communicated. In addition to the above, the Deputy Organizing Secretary of the All Progressive Congress, Honorable Mohammed Sani Abraham, shall immediately resume office as the Acting National Organizing Secretary in compliance with the judgment of the Federal High Court in suit number FHC/ABJ/CS/733/2018, which removed the former National Organizing Secretary, Mr. Emmanuel Ebijiro, since 24th of September 2018. This is to ensure strict compliance with the rule of law. Finally, I ask for cooperation of the party leaders at all levels in the onerous task of repositioning the leadership of the party so as to guarantee fairness and justice to all concerned. Thank you very much.